Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here to give you a conglomeration video, which is a video of a lot of the things that we do, and I just kind of put them together, so they're kind of oddball stuff. I got some wrestling, I got some RC car stuff, food bank stuff, and some extra bonus material. So be sure to stay tuned. You're gonna want to see this because you just entered the Coolest Life conglomeration edition. Break it, he said. I did. So now I'm out here doing something a little different. See that? Did you catch that? These are RC car dragsters. A lot of times you see RC cars around circles. Not these. These are dragsters. So that's what they're doing. They're drag racing. A little bit of speedy. Oh yeah. And it's just something different we come out here and do. And we're traveling. Actually, we're just driving by this and saw some people out here get together and saw someone had a logo about a RC car. I was like, ooh, maybe there's races going on. Sure enough, there is. Well, today, since it's a Thursday and about 72, I'm going to the pool. Leaving my RV, which is back that way. We'll head on over here to the pool because that's what you do in an RV park if they got a pool. And this pool is actually one of the better ones here in the area. It's a little larger than most, if I don't say so myself. But I'm going in here and do a video from the pool. You never know. Yeah, that's a red snapper. Outside, upstairs. You see all the way down the pipeline. And you hear the music from next door. Now I'm back out here on a Tuesday morning at a food giveaway. I was going to call it a food bank, but it's not really a food bank. It's done through the community. It's one of those many that were started up during COVID because so many people had lost jobs and everything. But there's a whole lot of food banks out there in the country, and a lot of them just have not stopped because they feel like they still have a need in the community. So they've got this facility here. This is Tuesday, and they're not doing a giveaway till tomorrow. Working together. Woo! Where are we? We're in Texas somewhere at a parade with these guys. But good time. That was about a mile and a half, 2 miles long. Maybe we'll go back walking again, or maybe we'll just go here to the Stockyard Rodeo. Here in where are we? We're in Far, I think. We're not far from Far. Anyway, we're going to go inside. It's got a really clean neck. It's got some muscle behind me. It's not to be a little bit confident with your legs on the groove, but at the same time, you also have to get together. And the outfit man that's in bull has a lot of body, a lot of muscle. He's a good bull in his own right. He's just kind of a little bit different type. He's a square made, bigger body, kind of bull. The two new type pickets and cows are usually. They're doing some grooming. Oh yeah. Put them up on the stand and groom them real good. Keep their head still. The rest of them, they don't want to move.
parade, and now we're broke down. I guess we'll survive. You see us there? Oh, there we are. Yeah, a blowout in the trailer tire. I haven't had good luck with trailer tires. I had a blowout, it's been about a year, I guess. But at least we're off the road and a nice big area here, so that's good. I think we need to jack that up first before we take that tire off.
For Saturday.
Well, now I'm walking back to the RV because I've ran out of libation. Just went to a St. Patty's Day party, as you can tell by this and, well, this. My little utility kilt. Went to the St. Patty's Day party, and they had green beer, which is always cool, but they have run out. So I need to go back to my my RV and get myself a drink. The great thing about being in an RV and staying in an RV park is they have events and everything. They don't have a facility like that one there, and they bring a live band. In fact, there's a live band playing right now. They'll bring a live band in, and so basically the party's here, so you don't have to worry about drinking and driving because you can walk back to where you live. So I love that about RV parks. And this one, especially when they're in season, like the parks in the southern states are in season during the winter, so it's a great time for people that want to avoid the cold to come down and take part and live in the lifestyle of palm trees. And in the summer, when it's really hot down here, they can head back up north somewhere, like will be this summer.